really burning question for Simon or anybody else in the flow, you can leave it for later. Assuming we're not gonna run into like 1 a.m. in the morning here, we'll see. But we're optimistic that won't happen.
Okay.
So now we're gonna go into a live coding session led by Forrest. Thank you.
All right, thank you all. Apologize for the room temperature, so take off your jacket if you want.
We wanted to make you sweat.
Okay, all right. All right, so let me share my Zoom screen. All right, so we're probably beginning a little bit with here. Okay, all right, so let's go to part 2. Okay, so we will show a little bit about how to use our platform to do RAG and do hallucination evaluation. But before that, allow me to do a little bit extra slides about the background. So this is me. I'm currently the AI researcher and machine learning engineer at Vectara. Before that, I was a professor at Iowa State University. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about what is RAG, hallucination in RAG, and how can Vectara help. So you already heard Simon talking about RAG, right? So we all know that RAG is you have a question, you have a bunch of knowledge hidden in a document, but not all the documents contain the knowledge related with your document. So what you do is the RAG has you go to the retrieval phase of RAG, where we find the documents are most relevant to your query, and from those documents we'll generate the answer.